Fasting is mentioned in the Old Testament and the New Testament of the Bible. It is observed in several annual days, primarily on days of penitence period before Christmas or mourning. For Jews, fasting means completely abstaining from food and drinks, including water. In Christianity, a 40-day fast was observed during a spring period of penitence before Easter. Among Roman Catholics, the observance has been modified with mandatory fasting only on Ash Wednesday and Good Friday during Lent. In Hinduism, fasting can be observed on certain days of the week or the month, such as Purnima, full month, and Ekadasi, 11th day of the fortnight. It is also common at festivals on days like Navaratri, Shivatri, and Karva Chauth. A common fasting ritual may mean avoidance of food like fish and meat for a couple of days for non-vegetarians. Most Hindus abstain from eating such food for one or more days, while some follow a strict fasting rule by taking only water or avoiding any liquid for a set number of days. The Karva Chauth ritual among married women is the best example of such kind of fasting. The married women fast for the long life of their husbands. In Islam, the ordinances relating to the fast are clearly stated and defined. Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar. It is a month of rejuvenation and cleansing. The true purpose of Ramadan, like all forms of Islamic worship, is to draw people closer to Allah. The basic teaching in all religions is to develop a relationship with God, and fasting is one way of achieving it, because when different religions fast, they are telling God that they appreciate the bounties that He has provided for them, like water, food, and also learn what it is to like to live without food.
Alhamdulillah.